A Bird Can Fly by Douglas Florin. A bird can fly. A bird can fly. A bird can sing. A bird can build a nest. But a bird can't build a dam. A beaver can build a dam. A beaver can cut down trees with its teeth. A beaver can live underwater for 15 minutes. But a beaver can't live underground. An ant can live underground. An ant can walk upside down on a branch. An ant can carry 5 times its own weight. But an ant can't carry a boy on its back. A tortoise can carry a boy on its back. A tortoise can live in a shell. A tortoise can pull its tail into its shell. But a tortoise can't hang by its tail. A monkey can hang by its tail. A monkey can live in a tree. A monkey can travel through the jungle. But a monkey can't travel across the desert. A camel can travel across the desert. A camel can store food in its body. A camel can drink 20 gallons of water. But a camel can't breathe underwater. A fish can breathe underwater. A fish can swim great distances. A fish can see things on both sides of its head at the same time. But a fish can't fly. A bird can fly. Boys and girls, now I want you to answer the question, what behaviors help camels live in the desert? Take out your paper and go ahead and draw a picture and write words to answer the question.